Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to find Creative Commons videos on YouTube. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, open any browser on your computer or laptop. Now just go on the search bar and go to YouTube. Now here go on the search bar and type the desired search. So I'm going to type music and press enter. Okay, now here just click on filters and select Creative Commons, and that's it. You will see a bunch of videos and music that are license free and you can use them in your videos. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.